But this is serious. But kindly see at page 17, 18. Injury at two hands of a law student of Hajra Law College. 17, 18. Kindly see that.
Yes.
As his offense is that she has refused to marry.
Marry? Whom?
Now nobody. They want at this stage. I am the only girl in the area who has reached to this level of education. That is my offense.
Who are the parties who do not want you to get educated?
Or are my
Parents or
no,
relatives?
not parents. My brothers.
Your brothers?
Cousin brothers. And they are the influential of the area. I have police. My sister went to the police station to lodge a complaint.
Does this student travel every day from Hooghly?
No. She resides in Kolkata. For election, she went there.
All right. She resides in Kolkata where?
Near Paksakas area.
Any hostel? Somebody's house?
No. In a mess.
All right. She has her own accommodation.
Now, she and her daughter both lives together.
She and her daughter, she is married.
Sister. I'm sorry, sister. Now, they live together in Kolkata. Now, for the purpose of election, they went to their native land. There, this incident has occurred.
Oh, it happened over there in Hooghly, not in the Hajra Law College.
No.
Yes, then?
I made complaint. First, my sister went to the police station.
All right.
Police compelled him to waited for 2-3 hours. Did not register any complaint. Rather asked me to settle the issue. Thereafter, we emailed the complaint to the SP, to the OC, everybody. But at page 23 is the complaint.
Did you name the person?
Yes, I have named everybody. Now, I have given a reminder at page 32 to the SP once again that registered a complaint. This discloses cognizable offense, registered a complaint and investigate. Police did not even bother to register a complaint.
Why? Your brothers are so very influential?
Yes. In that area, not in Kolkata.
Yes.
The FIR has been started, Millet. I must be very candid before your lordship, Millet. It has started in a late, Millet. On 13/6, Millet, we have started a case against Millet, the 4-person, Millet. One is Millet, Sheikh Ami. Second is the Sheikh Rahul. Third is the Sheikh Saddam. Lordship will find these names from the complaint of the Millet petitioners. And also Millet.
Rajia Begum.
Under section 330, 341, 323, 324, 325, 379, 340, 504, 506, and 34. Admittedly, well, this has been done. Well, that apart, Millet, we have Millet, the procedural, the formalities has to be fulfilled by sending the 41 notices to them, and as well as we have sent the Millet 91 notice to the Millet petitioners. That apart, Millet, we are keeping the close vigil over the issues, and also we have assured the Millet, the petitioner, that as and when he faces such kind of problem, we'll be there to Millet help her out. Millet, this is apparent from my report. Lordship kindly peruse this one.
When was the FIR registered?
Millet, the FIR
Yesterday night.
13/6,
20th or 21st of May, the complaint is lodged.
Right.
You register FIR on 13th, right? Now thereafter, and 13th, the writ petition is filed. The writ petition is filed on the 13th. So immediately you get to know that a writ petition has been filed, you lodge the FIR. And now if you say that I assure you, whenever there is some difficulty, you come to me, do you think the person who you intend to give protection will be relieved, will be assured of your assurances? Can it be done?
No, first of all, Millet, kindly consider one aspect that these complaint was sent to the email.
Why was it sent through email? What required the lady to?
Practically, in the minute, CRPC only requires the information under section 154. It might be in writing, it might be in oral. I must be very candid before your lordship. Now, once the such information is being received, it might be cognizable, it might be non-cognizable. If it is coming under the purview of the cognizable offences, the police authority is duty bound to register the FIR. Well, admittedly, there is some delay to that extent.
What is to be done with the police officer who refused to or did not?
This allegation, I am not supporting that he has refused. The report says something else. We have specifically asked the petitioner to come and lodge a proper complaint. My learned friend has submitted. The sister of the petitioner went over there. We have inquired about the same, but no complaint was lodged by her in appropriate manner. No name.
What does appropriate manner mean?
What name was discussed in initially?
Unknown against unknown persons FIR not lodged?
Can. But since the matter is, I understand what is calling for your lordship, we are in a little sticky wicket, but I must.
You are in a back foot.
Absolutely, there is no.
And the person will be dealt with appropriately.
That your lordship can do,
You also should come forward and say that yes, this has been done and steps should be taken against the officers who were erring officers. No matter how much you defend.
This kind of offenses, whenever it has happened, lordship thinks that I will become the barrier for the protection.
Should not be.
Should not have been.
Absolutely.
I should not. Lordship kindly sees the report once more. It speaks of something different, But so far our work is concerned, Lordship can skip over the first page. Lordship can come to the second page onwards and the paragraphs second onwards.
Please come.
Only one section, 166A.
160A?
166A.
66A, yes.
Whoever being a public servant, then C, fails to record any information given to him under subsection 1 of section 154 CRPC in relation to a cognizable offence punishable under section 354 in the middle, shall be punished with a rigorous imprisonment for a term shall not be less than 6 months. Now, these are criminal offence at the instance of the public servant, and the SP is the offender.
Possibly it is not correct. SP is the offender. This particular the things has been clarified in the Lalita Kumari's case. Delay of registering the FIR has to be explained in proper manner. Let the explanation come before your lordship, and lordship can deal it appropriately. But so far the SP is concerned, I do not think he is involved in any such manner. Lordship kindly keeping in the mind of the Lalita Kumar dealing of the delay of the lodging of the FIR.
And one more thing, at 4:30 you have served them through email. At 8:30, police went to my residence. SP.
And SP went to your residence.
This has not been written over here.
No, yesterday.
Oh, yeah, yesterday for the purpose.
And after that FIR.
Registering of the FIR.
FIR was registered yesterday?
Yes.
13th.
Yes, yesterday.
After the receipt by petition.
The petitioner is a student of law. Stop. It has been submitted that she is the only person in the family who has reached such height of education. Stop. Her brothers.
Cousin brothers.
Do not want the petitioner to continue further with her education, and they want the petitioner to be married off immediately. Stop. As the petitioner is resisting such attempt on the part of her cousin brothers, accordingly, her cousin brothers are threatening her with dire consequences, and have in fact brutally assaulted her, comma, is disturbing her on regular basis,
তোকে অ্যাসিড ছুঁড়ে মারবো,
has threatened her to burn her with acid attack. Stop. Paragraph. On 16th of May 2024, when the petitioner went to the market, the accused persons brutally assaulted her, and even outraged her modesty. Stop. The local people came to her rescue, and she was taken to the local hospital for treatment. Stop.
Checks and balances are required. Last matter is how police is functioning. This matter
The petitioner was so shocked that she was also not in a position to go to the police station for lodging a formal complaint. Stop. The sister of the petitioner visited the police station on 17th of May 2024 for lodging the complaint, but the police refused to accept such complaint. Stop. On 19th May 2024, the accused persons again visited the house of the petitioner and threatened her and her family members with dire consequences. A complaint was sought to be lodged in the police station on 20th of May 2024, but the police once again did not accept the same. The complaint was forwarded through electronic mail on 21st of May 2024. Stop. Despite receiving the complaint, and despite and even though cognizable offenses were disclosed in the complaint, the police did not register any FIR. Stop. The writ petition was prepared and was filed after obtaining leave from the court on 13th of June 2024. It has been submitted that the petitioner and her family members are under constant threat of the accused persons, and the petitioner is being disturbed to pursue her education. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner refers to Section 166 Caps A IPC, which deals with the which lays down the law relating to the steps to be taken in the event a public servant disobeys the direction under the law. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that after service of a copy of the writ petition, the superintendent of police visited the residence of the petitioner and thereafter registered FIR. Being number 416/24 dated 13th of June 2024.
Possibly the was the FIR has been lost, then the SP has gone. Because according to him, the SP went over there at 8:30. So naturally
Sequence will change. কি বললাম একটুখানি বলুন তো last একটা?
After receipt, they register FIR.
Wait. Visited the residence of the petitioner. Stop করে দিন। Thereafterটা কেটে দিন। শুধু thereafterটা কাটুন। Yes. FIR number such and such has been lodged. ঠিক আছে? Learned advocate representing the state respondents relies upon the report forwarded by the officer in charge, Chonditala Police Station, signed on 14th of June 2024. Stop. The report of the police mentions that the sister of the petitioner came to the police station to lodge complaint against the accused persons. But the officer of the police station inquired about the details of the complainant so that the complaint could be registered and a case can be started. Stop. Neither the petitioner nor the family members of the petitioner came to the police station. The accused persons on the same day lodged complaint against the petitioner against the petitioner and two others about the threat with dire consequences on 17th of May 2024. The said complaint was entered in the general diary. Stop. Necessary proceeding has been initiated against the petitioner and two others. Vide Chonditala PS NCR number 820/2024 dated 18th of May 2024 under sections 107/116 within bracket 3 CRPC. Stop. Paragraph. The report mentions that the petitioner submitted complaint dated 20th May 2024 through mail. Paragraph. The report further mentions that after the date of the complaint, the petitioner never came to the police station for seeking any protection and also never urged anything in this regard. Acha. From the copy of the writ petition, the police came to learn that the petitioner approached the National Human Rights Commission on 21st May 24 and a case has been registered as case number 1476/205/8/2024 WC on 11th June 24. And the same has been forwarded to the State Human Rights Commission and other respondents. The police is yet to receive any document from the Human Rights Commission. Paragraph. The report discloses that a specific case, Vide Chonditala PS case number 426/2024, dated 13th of June 2024, has been initiated against the accused persons, and the investigation is going on upon compliance of all formalities. The police is keeping strict vigil at the locale so that the petitioner and her family members do not face any difficulty. Paragraph. From the report which has been forwarded by the officer in charge, it is not clear as to why the police refused to accept the complaint from the sister of the petitioner on 17th of May 2024, when the sister visited the police station for lodging a complaint. Stop paragraph. There is also no explanation as to why, despite receiving the written complaint from the petitioner on 20th/21st May 2024, the police waited till 13th of June 2024 for registering the first information report and for starting the case. Stop. The police ought to have appreciated the urgency in the matter and should have taken prompt steps to protect the petitioner from the hands of the accused. Stop. Had the police taken prompt and effective steps on the very first day when the sister of the petitioner visited the police station for registering the complaint on the 17th, then the second incident on the 19th of May could have been avoided. Stop.
17th and 19th. Immediately after return from the police station, they again came. Police informed them.
Next, according to the provisions of law, the police ought to have taken immediate steps upon getting knowledge of the incident, the police simply tried to avoid the matter. Stop. On the contrary, the police was prompt enough to accept the complaint from the accused persons and registered the general diary entry on the 18th of May 2024 and took steps under section 107/116 within bracket 3 CRPC against the petitioner and her family members. Next, the officer in charge, Chonditala Police Station, is directed to submit an explanation as to why the complaint sought to be lodged by the sister of the petitioner on 17th of May 2024 was not accepted. Stop. The reason for not registering FIR despite receiving complaint on the 20th/21st of May 2024 shall also be disclosed in the explanation to be filed. Stop. Next. The Superintendent of Police, the Hooghly Rural Police District, is directed to oversee the investigation.
Lad, kindly don't direct the SP, lad. Here, lad, SP, I made complaint to the SP on 21st.
SP complaint
Yes.
was lodged.
But SP has to not answer why, lad, the section
Where
163
is
will
the
not be.
complaint before the SP?
Lad, kindly see, lad.
I see the OC only.
No.
Where is it?
Lad, kindly see, lad, page 27. It was communicated to the SP because OC refused it. Lad, kindly direct the SP to file a report. Why?
Oh, it is to the SP. আচ্ছা তাহলে যেখানে বললাম OC will file an explanation. Wait a
That
minute.
must be
One
SP.
minute. যেখানে OC বললাম ওপর দিকে. File an explanation.
Why OC and the duty officer, including SP, will not
ওখানে-
be, lad, implicated in section
ওখানে
168.
ওসির আগে লিখুন, ওসির আগে OC will remain the superintendent of police Hooghly and the officer in charge, both. কি কেটে দেবেন? দাঁড়ান, লাস্ট একটা কাটবেন না। Who will be the authority who can grant protection to this petitioner and his family members and her family members?
And in general manner, Millard, it is the Millard local thana.
Yes.
Now, Millard.
Now, if the general manner does not work,
Millard, in that event, Millard, the additional SP or Millard, the SP can look into the matter. Millard, I'll just tell your lordship. Or your lordship can do one thing. Your lordship can do one thing. It is my submission, Millard. Lordship can transfer the case to the CID. And Millard ask the CID to look into the matter. Through the to monitor the same to the local police station.
Again, the same thing.
where from do we get officers? We cannot
Lad,
bring in officers from outside.
lad, first they have to learn what is the duty.
Who is going to teach them? A teacher has to be
Only
appointed.
judicial direction, lad, ultimately, lad, to teach them, lad.
Right.
Lordship can only kind direct the SDPO to Millard to look into that matter even.
If the SP cannot do anything, the SDPO will have.
Do anything, Millard, I am.
And direct, lad, DIG at least, lad, to, lad,
This is Millard wrong. Submission made
This
by my.
cannot be done.
and district magistrate will look over the matter.
Did you get any help from the Human Rights Commission?
Not yet. And I don't expect any help from State Human Rights Commission. Because they have, that is, this also have to look into when the State Human Rights Commission forwarded the complaint to the police. Yes. Also, Women Commission.
ওটাকে কাটুন। আচ্ছা। The manner in which the facts of the case has been revealed before the court. The court is doubtful as to whether the superintendent of police would be in a position to oversee the investigation. Stop. Next. The petitioner has expressed her reservation with regard to the inquiry to be conducted by the local police. Stop. Next. In such a situation, the court thinks it fit to direct the detective department.
Is beyond the Millard scope.
Then who to direct?
Only one thing.
But
That is admittedly, there is a lacuna to register the FIR, admittedly. But ultimately, this has been registered with appropriate case. Lordship, kindly have a trust on us for a moment, and we will not disappoint the court, Millard. This is Millard, I am saying, Millard. Kindly, Millard.
lad, kindly direct, lad, DIG, CID, lad.
Petitioner's word, Millard, we have Millard tried, we have registered the case. Admittedly, there is a delay. Admitted position.
And there is
No,
reason.
we are not seeking mercy.
There is a reason. You accept the complaint from the offenders.
I understand, Millard, what is calling from your lordship, I understand. But kindly, for a moment, kindly, Millard, have a
No, the
trust
court
upon
is
the-
not having this trust upon you all.
No, Millard, kindly, Millard, kindly.
Lad, let the CCTV footage be preserved of the police station on the relevant date. And lad, DIG, CID, lad, kindly directed, lad, them to like to.
You want the CCTV footage for what purpose? They have accepted that
They will ultimately deny.
it is there on record, and this is the reason I have mentioned that the sister went to the police station.
No, it is also in our record also.
From your record only I have mentioned.
Nobody is.
So no use of preservation of the CCTV footages, and whether the CCTV cameras is functional or not, you never
They will
know.
come and say no, it's not functional.
What is the use? But then I want an officer who is to conduct the investigation.
Direct DIG CID for the timing. Let
Give me a moment. Just give me a
to appoint a senior officer
Yes, please do.
of CID department.
No, I will be giving appropriate.
Whatever. Not 10 minutes. Come at around 1:10. Petitioner also come. এটা এতটাই থাকুক, একটা 10 এতে আবার নেওয়া হবে. Affidavit of service is taken on record. Take back your book, please.